Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on some of the stocks that we cover, including ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, Amazon, Tesla, IQST, ticker symbol IQST, and kind of go from there, talk about the overall state of the market. So before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, hit the notification bell, that way YouTube will let you know when we release new content. So we'll get into it here. ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, first on the list here. As you see, a low of about 4.5 cents for the 180-day 4-hour time frame. That's still currently our bottom. We have been increasing here over the past several days. However, I don't see us getting past, without news of course, maybe 8.5 cents. We're pretty much at 8 now, but let's say about 8.5 cents will be overvalued or overbought, and then probably come back down without any news and start kind of slowly moving back down to that 4.5 cent. I still feel pretty confident that we're going to come back down and retest this 4.5 cent mark if the company does not send any updates out regarding an extension or any type of future plans for the company. So overall, first level of resistance is 12.5 cents. Really, we got to get above there and hold in order to confirm a longer term reversal and move to the upside. And without any type of update or news on what the future plans are for the company or the well, this one may have its little occasional uptick in price, but then eventually will probably come, slowly come right back down and sell off. So I'll have to kind of just keep an eye on that moving forward. Okay. Next up, we're going to look at Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. I need to redraw the fib levels really quickly here. Currently, Amazon is at a low of 81.43 for the 180-day 4-hour time frame. Good sign here. We busted above that red SMA line. We did get rejected here at your first level of resistance several times. So it looks like we're going to come down. This would make for an interesting put option here to put, as you see, we're overbought or overvalued here on Amazon. So we're going to come back down, and the key level to look at really is about 89 bucks. If we're going to fall down, or we're going to hold support there and bounce up and move back up, because overall we got to break through that 95.37 level and hold there, and continue to move up. And your next level of resistance from there would be 106.31, 114, 121, 131, then about 146.57 is your overall tip top level for Amazon. Okay, this is the one I've been adding slowly on this one here. I'm going to continue to do so throughout the year, and probably sometime midway through the year this year is whenever I'll hopefully be able to put a decent amount in and kind of hold for the long term. Next up, guys, is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and this one here, 101.20, would be your overall floor. Hang me 1 second here as I can draw this thing here, if I can get it to settle down here. I can't even get this thing to, well, we're gonna have to call it 102 maybe, because I can't get my cursor to sit still. Here we go. 101.20, 318.50 will be the overall tip top, and here we go. Okay, so we're still pretty close to the bottom here for Tesla. We're currently basically in a bearish pattern right now in the MACD, which signals that we could go a little bit lower, and if we hit 101 or 100 again, it's kind of a good sign showing that this may be the bottom, and that when it does start to slowly recover and start moving, then we should see some pretty decent gains for Tesla. So your first level of resistance is 147.70, red SMA line of 150. So you got to get above 150 and hold in order to confirm a longer term bullish pattern. Second level of resistance is 187, then 209, 235, 267, and then 318. Interesting about this stock in Amazon is Motley Fool came out with an article saying, stocks to load the boat on, and Amazon was one of those, and they actually said to try to stay away from Tesla this year in 2023, and Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same. We do own some currently, but with all the drama with Elon Musk and everything, it's kind of, you know, I think he has a lot of factor in driving the price and saying where it's going to go. So it's interesting, definitely, that the guy that runs the company will come out and purposely try to crash the stock sometimes. However, when it does recover and it does go on a run, we know just as well, just like it falls down, it's dramatic when it comes down. It can be dramatic on the way up as well. So anyway, it's something to kind of keep an eye on and watch throughout 2023. IQST, the fib level is actually about to update again, where the high is not going to be 51 anymore. It's going to be roughly about 50. All right, so roughly about 15 cents, and then about 50 cents roughly. And this won't be 100% accurate, just kind of be somewhat close to it. But your overall bottom is about 15.5 cents. First level of resistance is going to be about 23 cents. We got to get above about 26 cents and hold in order to confirm a longer term bullish pattern. And then your overall tip top is 50 cents, and you got 28 cents after the 20. You have 23, 26, 32, 36 and a half, 41, and 50 cents would be your overall tip top. The markets had a couple decent days, and now they're starting to slowly kind of pull back. Basically, almost every stock that we're going to look at here looks like it's about to slowly start to kind of pull back, and that'll be the big test: is are we going to pull back and recover, or are we going to pull back and keep coming down for all these stocks? So let's look overall, guys, at the S&P 500. Okay, let's take a look at that. All right, guys, take a look at the S&P 500. The overall floor for the 180-day 4-hour time frame is 34.9158. So that's the level that you want to keep an eye on there. If we do get another big pullback, the tip top 43.2528. As you see here, for me, in my opinion, a good sign that that we bounced off of this 3800 level, and we got above that red SMA line of about 38.76, and we were pretty decent move above it. So on the pullback, which we're going to get because nothing goes up forever, as you see here, we've been green for in a bullish pattern for quite some time. We're going to pull back, so we got to look at that 39.08 level. When it does pull back, we're going to see if we can hold support there, and then the next run up is going to be right at the 4,000 level. As you see here, we got rejected once, twice, got a little bit above it, rejected, got there again, rejected. So when we get back up there, that's going to be the big test of, are we going to hold there and keep going, or are we going to pull right back down? And I think that has a lot to do with the Federal Reserve, the rate hikes, inflation data, all that type of stuff, which has been driving the markets for the past year. So it's just something to consider and keep an eye on. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I just wanted to let you know, give you an update on some of the technical analysis. I know I hadn't posted in a while. It's been a very busy week for me, and I hadn't had much time to sit down and look at much of anything. So I just wanted to provide that update for you. Keep an eye on Shiba Inu. A lot of talk about Shibarium. It's had some green days the past several days, and a lot of buzz talking about Shibarium going to be launched, and saying that whenever that does, that's whenever we're going to see the next big move in the Shiba Inu. So that's all I got for you in this video, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.